In today's video, I'll teach you how to create CoinGecko account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open CoinGecko application. You can see over here it has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various methods for creating your account. You can either continue with Google, Apple or email. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option continue with email. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter your email address. Tap on the field of email address. Now what you have to do is enter the email address over here. After you enter your email address, tap on this option continue with email that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password for yourself. Tap on this field, enter a password. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number and one special character. So create a password accordingly. Now after you create the password, tap on this option create an account that you can see on the screen. Now we'll have to complete the CAPTCHA. In order to proceed, simply check on this box I am human. Now you can see over here a confirmation link will be sent to the email. So what you have to do is launch open Gmail on your device. You can see over here CoinGecko has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the confirmation link. Tap on this option confirm email. Now you can see over here your account has already been created. You can allow the notifications if you want. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you can also choose what coins are you interested in. You can simply answer the question. Here I'm just going to skip all these steps. Now one last thing that you need to do is simply check the app settings. You'll be able to find the settings like dark mode, currency and language over here. Make the changes if you want. After you do that, tap on the finish option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account will be created and you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you create CoinGecko account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.